This morning we're making a really super simple breakfast that everyone is gonna love. It's a childhood classic that I grew up on and passed on to my kids, and they crave it almost every morning. It's called fried bananas on toast. It sounds really simple, and it is. I'm gonna start with 2 slices of bread. I'm gonna put in my toaster here. All right. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of butter, maybe 2 teaspoons worth, and put it in a warm pan. While the butter's melting, I'm gonna take a banana and quarter it. And cut right through the skin, it's no big deal. There you go. And it comes out really easily. Okay, so the butter's melting here in the pan. I want to get the pan really scorching hot, and if you look really closely, you can see all the little bubbles that are just coming up like it's frying. That's perfect. So what I do from here is take my bananas and put them flat side down over the hottest part of the pan. So I put the bananas flat side down, and we're gonna let these cook for about a minute or 2 until it gets really caramelized and charred on the bottom. And you'll see on the sides of the banana how it kind of starts to brown a little bit coming up. That's when I know it's gonna be time to flip. When the bananas are this golden brown on one side, I know it's time to flip them. I still want to keep some of the texture of the banana intact. I don't want it to cook down to mush. So we flip the bananas and give it a swirl. Okay, now we're going to go to our toaster and get our bread. I'm going to put this on the plate like this. Come back and check the other side of the bananas. Make sure those haven't burned. And they haven't. They're perfect. Beautiful. All right, so we're going to kill the heat. And now we're going to place the bananas cut side down on each slice of bread. Just like this. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah. I want to take just a tiny little bit more of the butter. So I put just a little bit more butter into the pan and melt it down, and take my spatula and get up any of those yummy sweetened brown bits that the bananas had left behind in the pan. Kind of deglazing it with butter. I'm going to drizzle it over the bread and the bananas. Perfect. Nice. Okay, to finish it off, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. Cut each piece in half. Okay. And there you have it. This is a childhood staple of mine that I absolutely love. The kids love it, and a super simple breakfast that you can make for your family too any day of the week, whether you're rushing out the door or going to enjoy a Saturday. So for more recipes, for more ease of enjoyment like this, go to Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, and find us at Kitchen Bravo. Bon appetit.